Baba wa mbinguni, katika jina la Yesu Kristo niko
thutha wa guthiururuka bururi mugima kambi-ini president na munini wake William Ruto o hamwe na mutongoria wa ngwataniro magia na muthenya muhoreru. President Kenyatta na munini wake magithie kanitha kuria moririe a Kenya maikaranie na thayu utekomakania ruriri hindi na thutha wa githurano kinene.
Mimi nawaomba tu kitu kimoja. Kura ni ya siku moja. Siku moja. Hakuna haja na kila mmoja wetu ako na haki ya kupiga kura yake kulingana na mapenzi yake na kulingana na vile ataongozwa na Mwenyezi Mungu.
Mweneni wake munini wa President William Ruto ni arutite ritana kuri andu othe kuhoera bururi riri bururi werekeire githurano-ini kinene kiumia giukite.
As we go to Tuesday, it is our very sincere request that all of us as Kenyans, led by our spiritual fathers, will pray for our country.
Nake mutongoria wa NASA ni atwarire tucukuru twake nyumba-ini ya biashara ya The Hub mwena wa Karen kuria magaire na mweke wa guthaka na kurianira. Raila ni areganite na muhuhu ati bururi uri na hahu kahinda kanini tu mbere ya githurano kinene.
First, I want to thank all Kenyans for the mature manner in which they have conducted themselves during this campaign period. I don't see any tension. Kenyans are very ready for these elections and they're ready to exercise their rights.
Githurano kinene gitigetie mathaa manini tu riria bururi wothe ugakorwo ugithura atongoria aria megutwarithia bururi gwa kahinda ka miaka 5 iguka. Ngiribotera Inoro TV jitagwo Karuga wa Mwangi. For the joy of God.